Alright guys, this is my first project. Well, at least my first project doing videos on YouTube. 2014 Ford Focus INOP. That means it doesn't run. It's a Ford Focus Titanium, so it's a nice version. So far what I can see is that you got the hit right there, easy fix, some curb rash right there. It's got that. Let me see. It has a 2.0 four-cylinder engine. Let me get this up. Alright, so let's see what it does. I need to jump start it. And it's hard for me to record. I'm going to do this with my phone, so the quality is not going to be that great. But at least for now, just so I can show you guys what I do. Alright, it's at 3.1, the volts, 12.6. Alright, let's see. Why are you an INOP? Oh, okay. You hear that? Sounds like a broken timing belt. Let's try it again. Yep. Okay. Alright, I gotta do a compression test and find out what the problem is, but most likely we'll need an engine. I'm not doing the heads, I'll just probably do an engine. But I'll do a compression check and then check the timing belt, see if it didn't snap. And then I'll let you guys know what it is and what I end up doing. Alright, so I'm gonna fix the engine first and then I'll work on the body stuff. Paint it, whatever needs to be done. And then I'll let you know when it gets up for sale. Alright, thank you guys.